What is going on, lunatic fringe guys? We've got a lot to go over. We're going to do this as quickly as possible. It's a lot of crazy stuff happening in the market right now. Hope that you have been very careful in your investments, and I hope that you're prepared for what comes next. I do think that we're having a reversal. The market's going to start to pump again, which would include Luna Classic starting to pump again as well. But before you do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment on this video, and let's kick it off right now with this chart. The chart just went crazy, guys. There's no way to sugarcoat that. It really had an absolute breakdown, and this breakdown, of course, was just a massive sort of sell-off. This was an attack on Luna Classic, and then you had the slow but sure, and I told you guys, probably expect this a little more downside pressure because we were getting into this potential wedge. And I may not have even released the video, but I did make a video about it. And then yesterday we had this catastrophic sort of move where Bitcoin went down to 25,253 in an absolute flash crash, the likes of which we don't really get to see that often. But when you zoom out, it wasn't that bad, right? But it left us in this position. I hope at this 5,000 range you did accumulate, because now we're back at 61, feeling a little bit better about position 62.71 at this point. Now, zooming out here, what I did, again, I made a video yesterday. I just didn't release the video, kind of ran out of time. But what I was looking at was, I think we're just going to kind of bing bong around in this level right here for a little bit, meeting that bottom, wicking off of that top right there. Again, great opportunity for an accumulation, and then we're going to have a breakout. Now, if you'll notice down here at the bottom, the breakout that I'm putting us in, it's going to be in the October or November range. And there's over that. I think that we're going to have a breakdown in August and September, and that whatever we're seeing happen here is going to continue being a problem for all of this time until we get to the October-November range. So, and the markets historically have had a volatility that would be reflective of August and September being difficult months, and then October and November being some recovery months. Then we have a December where everybody sells off, takes profit, et cetera, to pay their taxes. And then January, most likely this January, really starts the bull run. So that's what it looks like. Moving on to proposals, we do have a USTC stable algo quant for the month. This is the new proposal for the second level, and it's the project spans 2 months. This is the enhancing the existing tools to accommodate the UST incremental repeg, buyback, and staking swap algorithm, conducting modeling and simulations, capturing the algorithm's behavior and performance, analyzing simulation results, evaluating performance under various market scenarios, and identifying strengths and weaknesses, producing a comprehensive report with recommendations for the LUNC community, an enhanced tool capable of accurately simulating the USTC incremental repeg buyback. So this is the proposal right now. Of course, right now we've got 45% yes, 43% no. And, to be fair, like, people are right now, difficultly likely not wanting to spend any money. They don't want to do that. They think they're going to get things for free. And I'm here to tell you, you couldn't get 800 million USTC burned, right? We're now on the third proposal to get that burned, because what we do is we have a bunch of chads here who just want the money to stay in the community pool, because they think that the pump happens by magic. And look, those are the people that are going to cash out on you, right? You have to pay developers to develop. So I would recommend that you vote yes on this. Give them the opportunity to build and create what needs to be done. If you don't, that's fine. I mean, this is a DAO. So my opinion is just that. It's just an opinion. You're welcome to have your own opinion. If you disagree with me, that is okay. You've been wrong before. So make your decision and decide what you're going to vote in that. 21% increase in market flow, down to 385 million market cap. Not much as you can say about that, but I would put this off to the unstable market conditions of Bitcoin still not really recovering. We saw a nice little lift from 25.2 up to, I want to say, about 26,700 before drawing back down to 26,400. But the chart and the pattern looks like every time we have a massive dump like that, it's looking exactly like it always does. And I do think that this signifies a big rally before we start coming down a little bit. And then finally, 65% increase in the daily volume on USTC, but it was to that downside. It was more sell pressure than anything else. And we now have over 1 trillion Luna class staked. We were over 1 trillion for a while, went back down for a bit. Now it's back up over 1 trillion. So a little stability in the market where we really need for it to exist right now. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell to be notified of future content. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you vote on that voting proposal, and we'll talk to you again soon. Or don't vote.